Hi guys, Lorraine here from makemoneyonline-niches.com and welcome to my YouTube channel where I review digital information products and softwares. Now today I have a review of a product which is called NFT Collection Maker 2.0. Now the first version of this product launched about 6 months ago and it was brought to you by Darius. Now he has his second launch of this, the 2.0 version of NFT Collection Maker, and it is going live on April the 20th at 10 PM ET. So this launch goes live, which is tomorrow, Wednesday, the 20th of April. Now what I want to do is have a look at the demonstration video where you will be walked through how NFT Collection Maker actually works, and then we can take a look at the sales page and then my bonus page where we can have a look at the funnel prices, the upsells that are available, and my bonuses that I have put together especially for this particular launch of NFT Collection Maker. So let's go have a look at the demonstration and a walkthrough of the software. Let's do that now.
Okay, here we are inside the platform you can use with Mac or PC, and we'll see how fun and easy it is to make these great looking collections of generated art inside NFT Collection Maker. And you start by going to Create in the left panel, and we'll call this collection Demo B, hit Save, and the first thing you'll do is make the traits for the images its parts. And the first trait we'll make, hit Create, start with Background. Its default layer is 1, save it. The next trait will be Body, default layer 2, save. And the third trait will be Hair, default layer 3, and so on. And I'm going to go to Demo A to save time. It's already made, and this is what all the traits look like when they're finished. You can see all the layers and all the items that have been added to make the arts look so great. And you can add as many items as you like here. So let's check on the clothing preview window here and look, and these are the cool parts that you can add, and here you can define the rarity of the items you've added or chance of the items to be included in the image. And by default it's 100 divided by the number of images, so you can see here this item appears in 3.85% in all the images in the collection. And of course you can control how often you want certain items to appear by adjusting this fantastic handy slider. Now in another item, a feature we haven't seen anywhere else, multi-images in each item. The same image with two parts, because some hair may not work with, say, the hoodie. So you can choose there, and also some more flexibility. Sometimes you don't want some items working with other items, so back to traits quickly here, open the hair preview. As an example, this beret here won't work with the hoodie I showed you, right? So you go to forbidden items here, and you add other items to not be generated in this image. And in this case, you can see here, black hoodie clothing, bathrobe, and a few other items. Super, super, super cool. The perfect image you envision. Alright, now back to the NFT panel to see how to generate your previews, and wait till you see how quickly that happens with thousands of unique images being generated in almost no time. So I just will delete these previews here so I can regenerate and show you the magic. So watch this. Generate preview, we're making 3,000 images, hit go. Not even in 2 seconds, and you have 3,000 images generated. So now you can review your images, and maybe you have a couple you don't want to use. I have 2 that I don't want generated with the 3,000, so I click on disable on each image. And so I go back to generate preview again. I will add 2 more, which will replace the 2 disabled images, and the TTC technology makes sure they are completely unique. So see, I actually have 3,002 images with 2 disabled to keep me at 3,000 images. You go to the Fresh button, and here are your newly generated unique images. And here they all are by pushing all. Wow! 3,000 fantastic images to generate. Each one is unique. You just can't do that manually. And there you are.
So here is the sales page for the NFT Collection Maker, and basically it's you can basically generate crypto NFT art collections automatically with the TTC AI technology and have them ready for sale with as little effort as humanly possible. We've just saved the demonstration of how you can actually create 3,000 images, all unique images that you can upload to sell on the different platforms like OpenSea or even Binance. So the sales page here, there is a video that you can have a look at for the video sales page, and then there's all of what people are saying about this collection maker. We've got Crypto Gem, which is saying this is insane. It would save a ton of time and money on development and design costs. Hats off to you. I love the motion NFT maker, and you hit it out of the park and it seems easy. Here's another one here. NFT Collection Maker apps unique. I'm not an artist, but I sure can make NFTs. Then you've got one here that says, honestly, I'm completely in the dark with NFTs, but your video makes them nearly make sense. I think it's a very exciting area, and your software will be such an aid to success. So that is just a few of comments of people, what they've said about the NFT Collection Maker. So basically, as you saw, you basically create your NFTs, you generate the previews, and then you export these NFTs. And it's automatically generating the software, unique artworks that you can sell. This TTC technology does all the heavy lifting and makes your artworks ready to be put on the Ethereum blockchain for sale without any prior art or technical experience. So what is a crypto art NFT? So it's basically it's a non-fungible token, but this is something that will be sold on the blockchain, and these different technical words minted to a blockchain. So the mint basically is an engraving of the art on the blockchain that cannot be removed, but it can change owner. And from what I know about these things is that you can actually earn a commission every time. If you're a creator of an NFT and you sell that NFT to someone else, and then that person sells that NFT to another person, then you would make a royalty on the sale. If you've actually created your NFT to give back royalties every time that particular art is sold over, which then makes that something that you can keep on earning from. So what gives your NFT art a value? Basically, on the blockchain, it's immutability, which gives the crypto art an NFT value because the art is minted to the NFT and can demonstrate a verifiable identity and a scarcity. It's based on the colours, the background colours, the differences in the clothing that's on, or the difference of appearance. So it's all verified of how unique the actual artwork is. So that's part of it. Now you can discover how a non-artist can get in. So using this software, if you're not an artist, this will help, because obviously you can start creating these simple NFTs with this software, as we've just seen. And this is just a little example of the sales volume and the royalties that have been calculated. So these are the different collections that are available. You've got CryptoPunks, which was the first one, I think, Mutant Ape Yacht Club, you've got Loot Adventures, the Bored Ape Yacht Club, Art Blocks, Cool Cats NFT, Meat Bits, Bored Ape Chemistry Club, and you can see here the different amounts, which are quite high in volume for Ethereum. So you've got here Lockdown Lemons. This is a case study. Not all of the collection was sold out in minutes, but the sales were open until enough people learned about it, and then some influencer or celebrity tweeted about it, and then the collection, named Lockdown Lemmings, was selling slowly until Paris Hilton tweeted that it looked cool, and then it sold almost immediately after that. So Lockdown Lemons were priced at the bottom of the common price range, which is usually anywhere between 0.03 and 0.08 Ethereum, which means that the sale of 10,000 Lockdown Lemons at 0.03 bought in 300 ETH. And ETH is Ethereum. So if you don't know what that is, that's one of the crypto digital currencies that are on the blockchain. So every time that a video is created with 1 ETH cost a bit over 3,000, this means that the Lockdown Lemons collection creator sold the complete collection for $900,000. Many past collections have been priced in the middle or at the higher end of the common price range, have brought in well above $1 million. So initial sales can be really impressive, but there is more. So while these sales can be impressive, there is more. There are royalties which can be charged from the secondary sales, like I just explained. So after the Lockdown Lemons collection sold out, the secondary sales were reported at 402 ETH within just about a week. So assuming that a 5% royalty are charged, it would be about 20 ETH or $60,000 from 402 ETH on secondary sales. That's the royalties attached to the artwork. So the last 30 days of sales on NFTs on OpenSea, here they are here. You've got Crypto Toads, Galaxy Eggs, the Sevens, Art Blocks Playground, 888 in a Circle, Pudgy Penguins, Lazy Lions, and look at the price of these things. Floor price started at 189, volume 12,990. I mean, the prices are just, well, crazy basically. So here's another case study. Sneaky Vampire Syndicate. These collections on OpenSea with reported secondary sales much bigger. For example, Sneaky Vampire Syndicate, which also released a few weeks ago, reached secondary sales at 13,000 ETH within about a week. So 5% of 13,000 is 650 ETH, or almost $2 million, just from secondary sales of Sneaky Vampire Syndicate. It's pretty cool addition to well over 1 million from the primary sales. So that is what can happen with these NFTs. There is very little about these art collections in the mainstream news. Some of these collections have surprisingly very basic art fifth grader could make. The last 30 days of sales, the top NFTs in OpenSea. Here's some more examples. So if you're trying to compete, the beauty of business of selling art collections is that you're not trying to compete with other collections on the leaderboard for popularity. The goal is simple as keeping your collection open for sales until it is sold out. Of course, nobody can promise that the art from your collection will actually sell. You may sell nothing at all, simply because it depends on the interest in your NFT art and your own effort. But it is a fast-growing sector, and there is other ways of learning. And obviously, when we come to look at the my bonus page, which we're going to take a look at next, you'll find that there is a bonus product I've put together that will help you with the actual putting your NFTs live, getting your NFTs on a platform like OpenSea and finding ways to sell those things. So let's have a look at my bonus page and the prices and the upsells for NFT Collection Maker 2.0 and also my bonuses. So here is my bonus page and for this NFT Collection Maker. Here is the prices and the upsells. So the front end of this product is $37 or $47 depending on the license you go for. There's upsell 1, which is the Pro upgrade, which is $97. Upsell 2 is the agency upgrade, $197. There's a downsell here, which is a flexi contract for $97. Then upsell 3 is $37, which is the Motion NFT Maker. Upsell 4 is Motion NFT Maker Pro for $57, and upsell 5 is the Motion NFT Maker Enterprise, which is $67. So that is the prices of the different products throughout the funnel, and there's also a description here which that you can take a look at. Now this bonus page will be the first link in the description box below this video. So any of the buttons on my bonus page, these green buttons here, will take you through to the sales page where you can make a purchase of NFT Collection Maker. And you can have another look at the video, which is a demonstration video from Darius. And let's have a look at the bonuses I have put together if you decide to pick up NFT Collection Maker through my link. So, first bonus I have is access all the upsells from a secret product. Hint, it helps you with TikTok. So that is all of the upsells from a secret product. Now, my bonus number 2 is something that might help you out because it's a training, over-the-shoulder training, which is Latitude Pro. Now, Latitude Pro takes you through everything you need to know about the creating and flipping of NFTs. So if you're deciding to pick up NFT Collection Maker, you've got your creations done, but you might want to find out about how you can sell your NFTs or how you might want to flip NFTs. So that is Latitude. My bonus number 3 is a way to build your buyers list while profiting. So this is another training. And my 4th bonus is accelerate your IG traffic, Instagram traffic. And the hashtag NFTs on Instagram is massive at the moment. So here's another way that you can actually promote and get people to understand that you have got NFTs that you want to sell and get some eyes on your sales page for your NFTs and get traffic. So that's my bonus number 4. Now, you'll still get access to all the vendor bonuses if you purchase NFT Collection Maker 2.0 through my link. And I do have an extra bonus, which is Attract Money 24/7 for free. It's a free web class that you can take a look at. And that's an extra bonus that I've just thrown in. So this is a product from Warrior Plus. The receipt would look something like this if you decide to pick this up. And the blue button at the bottom of the receipt would be where you can access the bonuses we've just talked about. So that is my bonus page for NFT Collection Maker. Don't forget, it's the first link in the description box underneath this video. And I will see you on my next review or training. Bye for now.